Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we have such a board with numbers. Oh no! All numbers have disappeared. Let's find them. Oh, it is number 1. Where should I put it? No. Oh, you're right. 1. Let's find next. No. All right. This is number 2. Number 2. No. Oh, you're right. Nice. Great job. 1, 2 circles. Oh, nice. It is number 3. Number 3. Where should I put it? No. All right. 1, 2, 3 circles. Nice. This is number 4. Number 4. No. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Let's find next. Oh, nice. This is number 5. Number 5. No. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Let's find next. Nice. This is number 6. Number 6. No. Right. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. Oh, nice. This is number 7. Number 7. No. You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. Nice. Oh, this is number 8. Number 8. Where should I put it? No. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 9. Number 9. Right. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. Oh, this is number 10. Number 10. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. Great. Oh, this is rhombus. Where should I put it? No. Right. This is octagon. Where should I put it? No. Right. Let's find next. Oh, this is pentagon. Where should I put it? No. Right. This is sign equal. No. Right. Nice. This is minus sign. Where should I put it? Right. Oh, this is diamond. Where should I put it? No. Right. This is plus sign. Oh, nice. Well done. This is a flower. Where should I put it? Oh, nice. This is a star. Where should I put it? Oh, nice. And last one. This is a heart. Where should I put it? Oh, nice. It must be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Great job. Good luck. Today we have colored jars and balls. This is purple balls. No. Right. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is number 1. Number 1. Let's put it. This is blue ball. No. No. All right. Let's see what is inside. Oh, what is it? This is number 2. Number 2. Right. Let's put it. Try again. This is white ball. No. No. Right. Nice job. Let's see what is inside. Oh, look at this. This is number 3. Number 3. Nice job. Let's put it. You're right. Let's go next. This is brown ball. No. No. All right. Nice job. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is number 4. Number 4. Right. Let's put it. Try again. This is pink ball. No. Right. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is number 5. Number 5. Right. Let's put it. This is white blue ball. No. Right. Nice job. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice. Look at this. This is number 6. Number 6. Right. Let's put it. Let's go next. Oh, nice. This is dark gray ball. Nice. Let's see what is inside. Oh, look at this. This is number 7. Number 7. Let's put it right. Let's find next. This is green ball. Nice. Let's see what is inside. Oh, what is it? This is number 8. Number 8. Let's put it. This is yellow ball. No. Right. Let's see what is inside. This is number 9. Number 9. Let's put it. Let's go next. This is orange ball. No. Right. Let's see what is inside. Oh, nice. This is number 10. Number 10. Right. Let's put it. This is gray ball. No. Right. Nice job. This is number 11. Number 11. Let's put it. And last one. This is a red ball. No. Right. Nice job. This is number 12. Number 12. Nice. Let's put it. This is pink ball. This is purple ball. This is dark gray ball. This is orange ball. This is blue ball. This is white blue ball. This is white ball. This is brown ball. This is gray ball. This is yellow ball. This is green ball. And last one, this is red ball. Nice.